Planyard streamlines the subcontractor payment applications, also known as progress claims or subcontractor valuations. This makes the subcontractor billing process easy for project managers and site engineers, as well as for subcontractors, who don't need to convert back and forth Excel files. To request the subcontractor payment application, we go to the subcontractor order. Then, we select the subcontractor order for which we want to request the payment application, and we hit Send Payment Application Template to send it to the subcontractor. Additionally, we may open the subcontractor order, where we see its real-time performance, that we book 5% of retention for all the payment applications, that this subcontractor order has a prepayment invoice approved, and that we can click the Send Payment Application link. Also, the subcontractors can order the subcontractor payment application template from this link, which you can attach to your subcontractor legal agreement or website. The subcontractor receives a simple email from the project manager to submit the payment application for the Planyard demo project. Again, there's nothing else the subcontractor needs to do than click this big blue button, and the payment application template opens up on the browser screen where they can submit the current month's progress. We can submit our month's progress by percentage, unit, or financial value. For example, we completed 10% of the carpet tile installation and 5 square feet of high-grade laminate flooring. The subcontractors cannot overcommit here, so we do not need to worry about overbilling the subcontractors. Additionally, the subcontractors can submit proposals for change orders or variations. So, we did 5 square feet with a unit price of $500. Finally, the subcontractor can deduct the prepayment. Once ready, we hit Submit the Payment Application. We see a red notification when the project manager logs on to Planyard. When you open a payment application and wait for review, first, we need to link our change order or variation with an item in the budget. This is linked to our client change order, which automatically appears in the committed costs column in the budget. We may click Reject and Change and say we don't agree that you did 10%. We did less or more. We can also set up an internal approval workflow. We can invite our site engineer to approve this subcontractor payment application. Once we are ready, we will hit Approve and send a confirmation message. The subcontractor receives another simple email confirming that the month's progress was approved along with the attached PDF payment application report. If I open the PDF, it states our retention booked, the prepayment settled, the current month's progress total, and how much needs to be invoiced. The subcontractor also has a button in the email where he can load the purchase invoice. Once the project manager logs on to Planyard, we go to Costs, where we see a red notification and can open the newly received invoice. Then, we can see the invoice on the right side and our payment application summary on the left. We can double-check the correct amounts, how much retention is booked, and what needs to be paid. So the whole process has been digital, from the tender or bid request through the subcontract through the payment application to approving the invoice. As the project manager, we didn't need to select any items or enter any numbers in the fields. It's all automatic. If we hit Submit, the invoice is automatically sent to accounting for payment via the integration with QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, MyOb, or email. If we now go to the subcontract order, it is automatically updated, so we can see how the contract performs in real time. We can see the change order, which was entered by the subcontractor. We can see how much retention is booked and how much prepayment is settled. The subcontractor order is interlinked with the bid request. We see all the invoices that we have approved for the project manager or the subcontractor, and the budget is automatically updated. So, a number of transactions happen automatically. We can be sure that we stay within the budget. The subcontractors cannot overbill us. It's a whole digital process, and we saved quite a bit of time.